So, what do you got there, Tom?
These are new lockouts that are going in place of our shocks.
See, whenever you're poor, you go to your buddy's scrapyard. Do a little cut and he'll even blow you some holes in there. Just use some big old angle iron. We can't have them fancy ones like Whistling Diesel does to lock his out. So,
What we got to do.
we make it work with what we got. So what we'll do, we've already got the nuts off. We're gonna take these out. We're gonna put that in its place. That way I can take the shock off and we can get it rebuilt. We ain't got a lift or nothing, so we're gonna use the farm tractor. But I think it's gonna work just fine. Just like that, we got scrap metal lockouts. So we can take the shocks down to Mid-Ark Off-Road and let Daniel rebuild them for us. It's that simple.